Hello, YouTubeonians. Guess what Karen has? She doesn't have...
I don't have anything.
You don't have the hiccups?
No, I don't.
I think you lie. Can you explain to me why you're out and about downtown today?
Because we're doing a Christmas craft. A Christmas craft show thingy-majig.
What did you have for dinner?
Those aren't really real, I'm serious. Chicken sausage with...
These are the best hiccups you've had in years. Do it again.
No.
Why not?
You're picking it.
I don't know why, but hiccups just cracked me up. Okay, so is it fair that I laugh at your hiccups? How do you feel about this? She's giving me the look.
No, look.
If you really love me, you'll hiccup.
You know, in our marriage class, they said we shouldn't say if you love me.
Why?
Because love is not conditional. The word if is conditional.
So you're saying you love me unconditionally?
I do.
And we got rid of your hiccups.
For now.
For now? See?
We just talk about love and they disappear.
Yeah. Because you love me that much.
I love you that much.
Actually, you didn't hiccup, so you don't love me. Because I said if you love me, you would hiccup. Could be the apple cider. Hot apple cider right on top of a brat. Could have done it, but...
See, now we're all gone. Just
See?
like that.
We cured it. No, the way I do this is I will directly interview with eye contact and everything. And it gets rid of hiccups every time. And Karen
So if you
only...
want to get rid of your hiccups, you get interviewed by help.
You're such a goofball. Check it out. There's the family truckster right there. If you've ever seen that. What's that movie called where they have the family truckster? It's got Chevy Chase in it.
Vacation, is it?
Family Vacation?
Christmas Vacation.
Christmas Vacation. Yep, that's the family truckster right there. That is awesome. Be an honor to park right next to it.